What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're over Harvest Finance or Farm, which is down 2.3% at $75.36. This has a small market cap of only 50 million with a smaller supply in circulation of only 670,000 out of 690,000. Very, very small circulating supply with small market cap, which means this thing could pump pretty largely in the bull run. What I mean by that is last bull run, we actually hit $5,078 for the all-time high. All-time low on this coin was 7 months ago at $20.45. Now, Farm's currently available on the following markets: Coinbase, Binance, Gate.io, Tokyo Crypto, MEXC. So a lot of good exchanges. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Farm. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Farm. So Farm definitely had its bottom in August of 2023, and we just had a huge engulfing candle about 3 days ago here. Absolutely insane. How big of a run was that? That was approximately a 166% move on Farm. That is amazing. Now, if we go from our high to the low, our Coinbase high to the low, because this is Coinbase right now, you can see we wicked right up to that 618 area when we got rejected. Right up to the 618, got a rejection. We're still actually bullish here on the day chart, putting in an engulfing candle on the MACD. With the RSI, yes, the RSI has fallen, so we kind of have a little bit of a divergence between the MACD and the RSI, but we do still have room to run up. The WTX looks like it wants to head higher. So my guess for Harvest Finance here in the short term would probably be a back test of $60. We might see $60 and then see that next push up to the 786 area here at about 207. That's absolutely insane, 207. But yeah, in the meantime, right now we did just have a large run. We're just seeing a slight pullback here. If we go to the 4 hour time frame, we can find a little bit more detail about this. And in the 4 hour time frame, if we draw the short-term fib from the high to the low on Farm, we actually just bounced off the 382. So the short term wants to head us up here already, but the day chart wants us to drop a little bit. I would almost take the short term into consideration more and say there's a better chance of us heading up to 85 here in the short term, because the MACD on the short term is about ready to flip bullish. We had a lighter engulfing candle the last 4 hours. The RSI starting to tail back up. WTX is about ready to tail back up. So in the short term, I would keep an eye on 85. If we get rejected off 85, that would be our confirmation to heading back down to around what I say 70. Yeah, which we did tag back here, this 382 at 70. So I'd be keeping an eye on that. We're heading up to 85. If we get rejected, we're heading down to 70. If we break above that 618, there's a good chance that we're heading up to that $100 to $150 range. But Farm's looking good, guys. It's definitely in the first stages of its bull run, or actually it's progressed from its first stages into the second stages. You can see this is kind of the first stage of the bull run. Now we're starting to get into our fun part, the second stage, and then everyone's waiting for that blow off top, right? But for Harvest Finance right now, I am going to be bullish on it. I just think what we need to focus on here is overtaking 85. We overtake 85, then we have a very, very nice pump to the upside. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.